Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying hardware support and battery level. This prevents mid-scan failures. Open Polycam and select scan mode, then pick resolution and export settings so you capture the right detail and file size. Hold your device steady, tap Start, and walk slowly around a corner to initialize tracking. This gives the app reference geometry. Once done, maintain a consistent distance of about 1 to 2 meters. Avoid fast motions, so DAR points stitch accurately. You now focus on thorough coverage. Move in smooth, overlapping passes and keep roughly 1 to 2 meters from surfaces so you get even point density. When you encounter edges, recesses, or occluded areas, do a close-up pass to capture missing geometry. This eliminates holes later. Make sure to glance at the live mesh and point count in Polycam. If you see thin spots, rescan those areas immediately to ensure a clean, continuous model for processing. You finish by tapping Auto Process and reviewing the resulting mesh and textures. Check scale and alignment so the model fits your target workflow. Export in the format you need, OBJ or PLY for CAD, USTS for R, or GLTF for web, and adjust decimation settings if file size matters. If you discover holes or misaligned sections, try one last targeted rescan. If problems persist, use Polycam's repair tools to fill gaps before final export.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.